Make sure you take all parts out of the box and check them against the assembly instructions supplied with the pump. This will usually comprise of the pump body, handle, outlet spout, barrel adapter and, in some cases, a delivery hose with hose clip. Firstly, apply the supplied PTFE tape to the threads of the outlet spout and help form an airtight seal. Then screw the outlet spout into the outlet port of the pump body. Apply PTFE tape to the riser tube threads, then slide the barrel adapter into place on the riser tube and nip up the locking screw. Install the riser tube fully into the pump body inlet port, creating an airtight seal. You can then fit the pump handle. If the pump is supplied with an outlet hose, you can install it now using the hose clip provided. The pump is now fully assembled.